Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the old button carefully. Use a seam ripper or small scissors and cut only the stitches holding the button. Once removed, inspect the fabric where the button sat and trim any loose threads so the area lies flat. Make sure your replacement button matches hole spacing and size. Lay it on the shirt to verify alignment with the opposite buttonhole. Gather a matching thread, double it for strength, and thread the needle. Knotting the end, now you're ready to position the new button. Once the location is marked, place the replacement button on the mark and push the needle up through the fabric from the back to the first buttonhole. Make a small anchor stitch on the underside and pull through until the knot seats. Then work steady stitches. Pass through each hole 6-8 times depending on thread thickness, alternating to distribute tension evenly. If the fabric is thick or you need room under the button, insert a toothpick or small match across the top of the button while sewing to form a shank. To finish, bring the needle to the backside and make 2-3 small locking stitches through the threads beneath the button, pulling tightly each time, then form a secure knot and pass the needle through fabric to hide the tail before trimming close. Once trimmed, pat the button and surrounding fabric flat and press lightly with an iron if the fabric allows. Finally, test the button by fastening and unfastening it several times to ensure the shank and stitches hold. If it feels loose, add a couple more passes and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.